gusto ko choreography, costume, material, pero konti, sobrang konti kulang energy. But 5 ladies, I really like your smile. I think you're like an angel. Akala ko I'm in heaven. Ha! Ito na ang score nyo.
Ryan, alam mo, you're so sincere and so cute talaga.
At saka Ryan, may nag-text.
Oh.
Ryan, yung message mo, paki-text na lang din.